How to change your primary email address on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change your primary email address on Facebook. So let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Facebook and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then, once you have done updating your Facebook, you may now click on Open and wait for it to load. And then, go to your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you're in the bottom of the page, simply click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. And then click on the very first option, which is Personal and Account Information. And then click on Contact Info and wait for it to load. And as you can see right here, there are only two options, which is add phone numbers and add email address. So if you only have one email address connected to your Facebook account, it will first ask you to add an email address first. So for example, this is my first um, email address, and then I want it to change to this second email address, then I need to add this email address first. So to do that, click on add email address, wait for it to load, type in your additional email address and type in your password right here. Click on add email, and then you may go back to this setting and then choose the email that you want to be the primary email address on Facebook. So um, as you can see here, once you open one email address, it will see um, primary email right here. And then if you want to change it, go to the second email address and simply click on make primary right here and then wait for it to load. As you can see now, my second email address has turned into the primary email. So that's it. That's how you can change your primary email address on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.